their service. I'd also like to tell you a little bit about the Frankie Valenti Scholarship Fund. Our son Frankie was an EMT, and in early 2018, Frankie passed away in the line of duty. My wife Joyce and I established the Frankie Valenti Scholarship Fund to carry on his legacy of helping others, which he loved to do. So we raise money and partner with local colleges like Lake Tech, Lake Sumter, and soon to be Valencia College to help first responders with the cost and education and training. We also work with Chief Azell, the Kiwanis Club, and others to grant scholarships directly through their programs. I just wanted to let you know that the EMT program is not federally funded, if you didn't know that. Therefore, the cost of that education comes directly from the students, so we try to help offset that cost by raising funds and helping others. Also, I'm not sure if you knew this, but there are 7.2 EMS calls per second in the United States, with a little over 1 million EMS first responders. It's simply not enough. So how can you help? You can help by working with us, donating to our fundraisers, donating on our website, and after the event, stop by the table in the back and talk to Joyce and I and how we can partner together and what we together can do to help others help others. If I can ask a couple of favors, the postcards on your tables let you know a little bit about what we do and direct you to our amazing website. I humbly ask that you take that postcard home with you, take a minute to read what we have done and what we are going to do. Also, it allows you to get to know Frankie a little bit more and will keep Frankie's memory alive in all of you every time you look at his picture. And last but not least, take a moment to thank the first responder heroes. They selflessly sacrifice for all of us. For every person that we help become a first responder, and for every person they help or a life that they save. It's like Frankie having a small part in what he loved to do, help others. So when you touch one life, you don't just touch one life. You touch every life that life touches. So please, at this time, stand and join me in a huge round of applause and appreciation for all of our first responders here today, those working in the field right now, and those like Frankie and Deputy Link who gave ultimate sacrifice